Basil, also known as sweet basil or Ocimum basilicum, is a popular herb in many cuisines around the world, particularly in Mediterranean and Southeast Asian dishes. It has a sweet, slightly peppery flavor and is often used fresh in salads, sauces, and as a garnish. Additionally, basil is known for its aromatic leaves and is believed to have several health benefits including anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Benefits: basil offers several potential health benefits. Antioxidant properties: basil contains compounds like flavonoids and polyphenols which act as antioxidants, helping to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Anti-inflammatory effects: some studies suggest that basil may have anti-inflammatory properties which could help reduce inflammation in the body. Antibacterial and antimicrobial properties: basil contains compounds that have been shown to have antibacterial and antimicrobial effects, potentially helping to fight off infections. Heart health: basil may help support heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Digestive health: basil has been traditionally used to aid digestion and relieve digestive discomfort. Stress reduction: the aroma of basil may have a calming effect and help reduce stress levels. Skin health: basil extracts are sometimes used in skincare products for their potential to improve skin health and reduce acne. These benefits are based on scientific research and traditional uses, but more studies are needed to fully understand the extent of basil's health-promoting properties. Ways of use: there are numerous ways to incorporate basil into your cooking and daily routine. Fresh basil leaves: add fresh basil leaves to salads, sandwiches, wraps, or pizzas for a burst of flavor. Pesto sauce: make a classic basil pesto by blending fresh basil leaves with garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. Use it as a sauce for pasta, spread it on sandwiches, or use it as a marinade for grilled meats. Infused oil: make basil infused olive oil by steeping fresh basil leaves in olive oil. Use the flavored oil in salad dressings, marinades, or for dipping bread. Herbal tea: steep fresh or dried basil leaves in hot water to make a fragrant and refreshing herbal tea. Garnish: use fresh basil leaves as a garnish for soups, stews, pasta dishes, or cocktails. Flavored butter: mix chopped basil leaves into softened butter to make a flavorful spread for bread or grilled vegetables. Tomato basil sauce: make a simple tomato basil sauce by simmering tomatoes with garlic, onions, and fresh basil. Use it as a topping for pasta, pizza, or grilled chicken. Basil-infused vinegar: infuse vinegar with basil leaves to create a tangy and aromatic dressing for salads or roasted vegetables. These are just a few ideas, but basil's versatility means you can experiment with it in many different dishes to discover your favorite ways to use it.